are doing the testing of the borehole project that we have been installing, and this is the final day, the 4th day. We have finished everything, including the solar panels, installing the solar panels. We have done the electrical work. The pump was already installed the other day. So today was just to be sure that whatever we had promised the customer, we are able to get. We are able to pump out 2,000 liters of water per hour, all powered by the sun. The solar panels are up there. We are able to ensure that the customer is able to achieve that amount of water for every 1 hour when the sun is up. So this is a successful project. The customer is very happy and we are also very happy. So we appreciate the customer for giving us this work, and we look forward to many more. I like it. I like it like that.